All right, on number 1 on the review problems here, we've got a lot of distributing to do. So let's go ahead and multiply the 3x times x squared. We're going to get 3x cubed. 3x times a minus 4x is negative 12x squared. And so we'll go ahead and write minus 12x squared. Then we got to distribute a negative 5 in the middle here times 5x squared. That's negative 25x squared. And negative 5 times 2, that's going to be negative 10, so minus 10. 2x squared times x, that's going to be 2x squared. And 2x times 1 is 2x. So we have some like terms. We only have one x cubed term, so let's go ahead and write that one. We've got 3x squared terms, so a negative 12 and negative 25, that's negative 37. Plus 2 is negative 35. So negative 35x squared. And notice the last two terms here are not like terms. I'm going to put my x term next because I want to put them, the powers of x in descending order. So put the 2x next, and then we'll put the constant last. We know constants get no respect, they always go last. All right, number 2. This is what I call FOIL in disguise. We don't have a rule of exponents where we can just square the 3x and the minus 5 separately. We need to multiply 2 of these guys. So that's just a FOIL situation. We're going to multiply our first terms. Last terms, we get a minus 15x. The inner terms, we get a minus 15x. And our last terms, negative 5 times negative 5 is 25. So we have a minus 15x and a minus 15x. Let's combine our like terms there. And so the final answer is 9x squared minus 30x plus 25. Finally, on number 3, it says solve for y. Now this is something we actually have done on this test, or getting ready for this test. But here all we have to do is solve for y. So let's get rid of that 9x first by subtracting 9x. And we're going to get negative 3y is equal to negative 9x plus 18. And let's divide by negative 3. We get y is equal to 3x minus 6. And that's it for this last video.